In this video, I'll show you how to send Tronpad from Trust Wallet. So the Tronpad network, or the Tronpad token is in the BSC chain, right? So make sure you have your BSC on your Trust Wallet. So I'm gonna come and I'm gonna type in Tronpad. So I want to show you what I actually mean by this. So this is it, Tronpad. So you can see it's under the BNB Smart Chain network. So what you need to do now, you need to have some BNB. You need to have some BNB. So I think this is, okay, let me say BNB. So yeah, so the second option is the BNB. So once you have it, and once you have the Tronpad network, you can be able to also convert it or swap your BNB to Tronpad if you're using your Pancake swap. So if you have the Tronpad token in your Trust Wallet and you love to send it out, you're going to be needing BNB fees for you to be able to do this. So if you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video.